What's up, guys? It's your man Bigg Vic back with a new video. What I want to do is revisit a subject that I touched up on, and it was a comparison between the Reason sound and the Akai MPC sound comparison. So the last time I posted a video, you guys said that I should have posted, took basically the same wave sounds, wave files, same instruments, and compared those in both DAWs. So that's what I did today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play this track in the Akai MPC first. We're gonna listen to it, see what it sounds like. I don't have any special effects on any of the VSTs. It's basically straight raw files, and this is basically a sequence. I'm just gonna put some drops in and out of it and let the track play. Then we're gonna pull Reason back up and pull up the same instruments and Reason, basically exporting the files out of the MPC and pulling them up in Reason. We're gonna see what this sound comparison sounds like and see if it's just Reason or it actually sounds better when we export VST sounds into it. So let's see if we can figure out what's going on here. So let's get into this Akai track real quick. All right, so here we go. Let's play this beat and see what we got. All right, so what we're gonna do now is go ahead and pull up Reason and see if we hear a difference. Well, I'm gonna pull up the exact same wave samples, drums, everything is pretty much gonna be equal this time around. So we can figure out what's going on. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, so we're back in Reason and now let's play it. Started from the top. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna stop it right there. So now that I have pretty much it's kind of neck to neck, I'm gonna see what you guys say. See what y'all think. See which one sounds better. Which one sounds one might sound fatter than the other. I'm not sure, but I have the same samples, so we could do a nice, comparison this time. Um, the other one may have been a little unfair because I had two different beats. So let's see. So for all my Reason heads or my Akai heads, put your ears to these two tracks and see if you guys hear a difference. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Make sure y'all drop some comments below. Let me know what y'all guys think. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button if you dig the video. All right. Dislike it. Do whatever you want to do, but do something. All right. Don't forget, y'all. Do not forget. Always hustle. Never stop growing. It's your man, Bigg Vic. Peace.